Research Society for the Study of Diabetes in India started in 1972. All these years they have worked tremendously on diabetes awareness in urban, rural areas and social medias these days. Around 10,000 doctors working together have come up with Defeat Diabetes campaign starting from 1st of July on the occasion of Doctors' Day. We have pledged for more than 10 crore people for their blood sugar testing and screening. RSSDI has published 2 research papers to make sugar testing as the 5th vital sign. Whenever a patient goes to a clinic or hospitals, 4 vitals are tested before the doctor consultation. These are BP, pulse, temperature and respiratory rate. We urge all the clinicians, healthcare professionals, even patients to make blood sugar as the 5th vital sign. The 3 T's for Defeat Diabetes are testing. Testing includes screening of all the asymptomatic individual and can be done at clinic, homes, public places. It is very important for everyone to know their sugar level status. Second is tracking. If you are a pre-diabetic, which most of the people in India are, or a type 1 or type 2 diabetic, it is very important to track daily the sugar level. If a person doesn't track his or her sugar levels, diabetes can't be managed on time. And remember, if you can manage your diabetes, it can reverse also. Leaving or ignoring your sugar levels can lead to many complications. With COVID pandemic, mortality has increased up to 7% with diabetes. Treating is the third T. As soon as you get to know your sugar levels, correct medical treatment, counseling, lifestyle modification. So I would like all of us to stand together in this RSSDI Defeat Diabetes campaign and ask all of your relatives, family members, friends to get their random sugar tested as soon as possible, as diabetes is a silent killer and we all need to track, trace and treat the diabetes. Thank you.